Special edition of an on-demand storm tracker forecast on your Sunday afternoon. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Hurd, hopping in the Weather Center to get you up to date on some severe winter weather. I said winter, but it's not winter-like right now. We got 60s and 70s across the state of Montana in the 2 o'clock hour, and that's 10 to 20 degrees warmer than it was this time yesterday. So here's the big picture view. We have an incredible amount of warm air wrapping up around the backside of a high-pressure ridge and preceding this cold front, but a lot of heat and wind and a strong upper level low and a very, very strong cold front will be slicing across Montana tonight into tomorrow morning. High wind warnings are up now through noon on Monday for the entire state of Montana. We could see peak gusts in any given locale anywhere between 50 to 70 miles per hour. Winds will be even stronger with that front overnight. There are some fire weather concerns between Butte, Bozeman, Dillon, and Ennis. Your red flag warning is up from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Sunday afternoon and evening, and that's because of the hot, dry, and windy conditions. Low-level grasses could catch fire. In fact, there is a fire up near Browning, and there's a local emergency up there this afternoon. But if that wasn't bad enough, we got a cold front moving in overnight with incredibly cold air, and that means snow, blowing snow. Blizzard-like conditions are possible for these areas highlighted in blue, and it does include areas west of the Continental Divide. Wind gusts at 2:30 on your Sunday are increasing 30 to 50 to 60 miles per hour. But those winds could be very strong around 4 to 6 p.m. this evening, back off a little bit, and then they'll be incredibly strong between 2 a.m. and about 6 a.m. with a cold front blowing through the region. Those winds could settle down tomorrow afternoon, but they could pick up again Tuesday as a high-pressure ridge is beginning to build back in across the region. Crazy weather pattern. It's just incredible. We could see some record highs around the state this afternoon, but snow is likely as we head into the overnight. So Butte, here comes a cold front sometime around 2 a.m. A lot of wind and snow and blowing snow and possible power outages with this front blowing through into the overnight hours. For Bozeman, that front likely to catch up to you around 3 to 4 o'clock in the morning, and it will have an impact on your morning commute. But as you get behind the front, it's just trending cooler with a few pockets of mountain snow, and then we start to dry out heading into Tuesday. So snow is a possibility, and mountains and passes have a possible 1 to 3, 2 to 4 inch range, maybe even some higher amounts. But it's the combination of snow, slushy roads turning to ice with cold air, and 60-mile-per-hour winds in the early morning hours tomorrow. That's going to cause a lot of blowing snow and visibility issues as you head over mountain passes in southwest Montana. So breaking it down tonight, tomorrow, Butte, much colder. Chance for rain mixed with snow, changing over to snow. But keep in mind, we're expecting wind gusts anywhere from 40 to 60-plus miles per hour tonight into tomorrow morning. Snow is possible tomorrow morning, but a high of only 32 degrees and mostly dry in the afternoon. It should be all snow tonight, tomorrow morning for Bozeman, but again, a strong cold front showing up around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning with 60-mile-per-hour winds, periods of snow. It's going to wake you up. Don't be surprised if you get a rude awakening with that front blowing through into the early morning hours.